Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's open this up and see what we have. Oh my gosh, we got blue, my favorite color. So in case you're new to this box, this piece of paper here has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to make both the designs in this box. Alright? Alright, so we got some, oh boy, look at the turquoise. It looks like my kind of box. Alright, we have findings on top. We have crimp tubes, some big ones. They look like size 2. And we have a split ring. I think that's an 8mm silver split ring there. We have some tiny jump rings. They're really cute. Maybe 4mm, 4 or 5. We have a lobster claw clasp. And there's only one, so that makes me wonder, is there going to be a bracelet? Or if there is a bracelet, will it be a toggle or some other closure? Here's bead string wire, and that looks like a lot of wire. It looks like a lot. We have 2 ball head pins in silver. I just realized I'm putting it out of frame. And we have 2 earring findings. So we have seed beads. These are check seed beads. And they are gorgeous. Look at that color. So pretty. Alright. More seed beads. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. And remember, or even if you didn't know, there's a product code on here, and if there's some beads in here that you like, you can go to their store and reorder them. So these look like 80 white luster seed beads. Check again. And we have these twisted drops. These are really neat. I'm going to open this bag. I got these before in this box, or maybe it was a Check Beads exclusive box, but it's a twisted bead. Yeah, it was this box. They were Crystal Picasso, which is the clear, but it has the brown on it, Picasso finish. They're drops, but they're twisted. And I think I tried these in a flowering once. We have there is 6 beads. We have 6 4mm check fire polish beads, and I think that's like a cobalt blue there. Okay, and these are all the findings. Probably should have laid all these out over here. A little messy today. These are 6mm. This is opaque blue. These are gorgeous. I don't think I have these in my stash. No, I have Persian turquoise. Check fire polish beads. These are pretty. This is why I don't like taking the beads out of the bag. I always drop them. Those are gorgeous. Okay, so that's the blue, and then we have turquoise. Now, the Persian turquoise I have, in case you're wondering, looks kind of like this, but it's darker, like a teal turquoise. So see the shades there? This one's my favorite. The Persian is just a little bit darker. That one actually kind of looks dark to me. That turquoise bead in there. Again, they're 6mm. They are gorgeous. This color will never get old to me. Then we have white. These are matte check drugs. They have a milky look to them though, like milk glass. And I mean like the milk glass vases and bowls and cups and all that. That's what it looks like to me. And did you know that most glass pearls, underneath that pearl paint, this is what the bead looks like. But this is a druk, so it has kind of like a oval, it's like an egg shape. Druks aren't perfectly round, they're more oval. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, I just saw these somewhere. Oh, I just saw them in the Check Beads exclusive. I think it was it an email or something? It was an ad for these. They are shells. They are glass check shells. Where did I see that? I think it was an email this morning. They're so darn cool. Look at how perfect. I think that they had to have molded a shell to get this shape, because it is dead on the shape right there. So I live in Florida. I'm 5 miles from the ocean, and whenever I go out in the boat, there's this one snail that my family and I look for, because we have a reef aquarium, and there's this snail, I don't know what it's called, but it has this same exact shape, and this is as big as the snail gets. And what the snail does is it burrows itself in the sand, and when you walk on the beach, or like you go to a sandbar, you're going to an island, when you walk along the beach, you'll see some, or maybe you won't. What we do is we pick them up, we take them home, and we put them in our aquarium, because they clean the sand, is what they do. So anyways, you could like walk down the sandbar and not see one single snail, and on your way back, because you walked in the sand, you stirred up the sand, and they come out to eat the debris in the sand. So they're pretty cool. They're like little zombies. They crawl out of the sand. But yeah, that's exactly what they look like. Now, the snails that I collect for my aquarium, they're actually gray. But if they sit in the sun long enough, they will get bleached by the sun and they turn white. But these are amazing. I cannot believe how perfect those are. I wonder if they molded an actual shell to get that shape, because it is just perfect. Those are epic. And I like the color combination they have going here. Okay, what's this? This is neat. I've seen this bead before. I don't know what it's called. It's really bizarre. It looks like something that I would see in the ocean. Some kind of clam or something. Yeah, I would say it kind of looks like a clam. Cool. I think it goes nicely with these beads here. And we have some more 6mm check trucks. I think it's cobalt blue. This box seems extra messy. It's getting stuff everywhere. These are 8mm. And I don't know what shade this is, but look, do you see how it's paler? This one's dark. This one's pale. I actually think I like this one more than that one. This shade of blue is my least favorite. I love the turquoise. This one's my most favorite, and I love this. Like this shade here, those are my blues. This one too. I love that one. I wonder if there's going to be shell earrings. Okay, so there's those beads. I wonder what this color is called. Because I know there's all different shades of blue. Like I said, I have a turquoise, but Persian turquoise check bead. This bag is empty. That's weird. I'll have to find out what was supposed to be in there. Or maybe I have two of the same bag. There's no telling, so I'll figure that out later. That could be possible. Or it came out of the bag. Here is 2 eye pins, about 1 inch long. it the same code? No. I'll figure that out later. Whoa, these are really thick. These are 8mm jump rings, but they're like an 18 gauge. Really thick jump right there. Oh my gosh, I love these rings. So I've been into macrame, if you've been watching my tutorials lately, and stuff like this is amazing for macrame because I can use this as a closure. It doesn't open up, so I can attach my cord directly to these rings. So I've been on a hunt for stuff like this. I don't know what I would really call this. Would I call this a connector ring or something? Because it's not a jump ring, right? It is decorative. It doesn't open. What would this be called? A connector? It looks like a float. I love these little things. This right here, it's like a bead bail. They're really cool. They're great for elastic bracelets. You could tie a knot under there, put a charm on that. We have some 3mm check fire polish beads in that dark blue color. And this here, I bought these from Check Beads Exclusive back in the day. I got them in an olivine green color, matte. They're so gorgeous. The swirly pattern. So pretty. I think I like it even more in the turquoise. It kind of looks like a cinnamon bun. Right, we're still going. I gotta move stuff over so I can make room. We have a diamond shaped check bead. I've never seen this. This has pattern on it. We have tassels in there. I wonder if that's the triple stacked tassel or if there's multiple tassels. See the patterns? I don't know if you can see it. See it? Right there. There's lines on it. Patterns there. It's on both sides. I've never seen this check bead before. I wonder if this is going to have to do something with a centerpiece. Because we have like some oddball beads here. Alright, let's see. What's this? Is this one of those stacked? There it is! I was wondering. We might have a hole. So here's my missing bead. There might be a hole in this bag. Yes, there is. Right there in the bottom, I see it. Right there's my hole. So I will put this in here. I don't want to lose this bead. Wait a second. We didn't even check the bead out. This is a teardrop. And this is a weird one. Look, there's no point at the top. It's flat. And the hole's right there. That's different, huh? I don't think I've seen that kind before. I just found a second bead. So there's going to be 2 drops. That's probably going to be for the earrings, those drops. Yeah, I'm thinking so. Or these could, like, there could be a centerpiece, and these could be on the sides because I do stuff like that all the time. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I found another one. Okay, and here's the tassel. So this is the tassel. I was wondering if it was this style. I want to know how to make this. If you remember, I've made tassels. You can go back and you can watch some videos where I got into tassel making. But I have never made a tassel like this. And I want to know how it's done. I assume, no. It's actually 3 tassels that are all attached. I guess that would make sense. So, lifting up the skirt and looking under here. See that? This is a completed tassel. Right there, that's the top. But where's the top to the second one? Oh, is it 1, 2? think it's right there. I gotta figure this out. Okay, there's one. Here's the other one. I feel it. It's right here. So they make all three of them and then they connect them together somehow. I just think that's the coolest looking tassel. The three ombre colors like that is so cool. I like that. It's the coolest tassel. Alright, so this is everything I'm getting in the box. I'm really excited about these shell beads. I saw them this morning. It was an email from, I thought it was Check Beads exclusive, but maybe it was another store. I don't know, but I saw these and I'm like, wow, those looked exactly like those snails that are on the islands where I live. The zombie snails, that's what I call them, because they come out of the sand when they smell the decayed stuff in the sand when you're walking through there. So that's epic. I love those. Can't wait to see what the piece is going to be. Alright, so this is it. Remember, I will put a link for this project down there below in the description bar. And also, I'm going to have a picture of what all of these pieces look like put together at the beginning and end of this video. Every time after I open this box, either tonight or the next day, I'll go and watch the tutorial for this. I'll put the design together, and I put a completed picture at the beginning and end in case you want to see what this looks like put together, then you know, and you can go buy it and you can make the same exact piece. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will link this box down there below in the description bar. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so they get notified when I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.